In this video, I'll show you how I connected LinkFinder AI to Claude, then asked it 4 real questions. No code, no fake demos, just the actual tool running live. Before we start, go to the first link in the description and click it. That takes you to LinkFinder AI. Click Start Free Trial. No credit card needed, and you get free credits just for signing up. Once you're in, head to the API and MCP tab. Right here is your MCP server URL. It already has your personal API key built into it. Copy it. You'll only need to paste it once. Now open Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add. Give it a name. I'm calling mine LinkFinder AI. Then paste that MCP URL into the field and confirm. That's the whole setup. No OAuth, no code, nothing else to configure. Close that out and there it is. LinkFinder AI sitting right alongside my other real connectors. It's live. Claude can use it right now in any chat. So let's actually use it. I typed one line. Scrape Bill Gates' LinkedIn profile with LinkFinder AI MCP. Claude calls the tool itself, and a few seconds later it comes back with the real profile. Headline, location, his actual work history at Microsoft, the Gates Foundation, Breakthrough Energy, even his education. And it's honest about what it couldn't find. No public phone or email exposed on the profile, so it doesn't make one up. Next, I pushed it harder. Find 10 employees that are C-suite from the company Tesla. It comes back with a full table, names, titles, locations, emails. But here's what actually impressed me. Claude looks at its own results and flags the problem itself. Only one name matches Tesla's real known leadership team. The rest look like self-reported LinkedIn titles that were never verified. It tells me straight up to treat the list as unverified before using it for outreach. That's not a tool hiding its limits, that's a tool being honest about them. One more. This time in cowork mode, building an actual lead list. Give me 5 companies in B2B SaaS in California. Company size 10 to 25, industry, sales, or CRM. Claude asks permission to use LinkFinder AI. I approve it, and it goes to work pulling real company data to match the criteria. One connector, plugged in once, and now every AI tool you already use can pull real B2B data on command. LinkedIn profiles, company data, lead lists, all of it. No code required. The link is in the description, and you get free credits to try it yourself.